Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. By now, most of us have experimented with AI image generators and they're incredible at what they do. However, when it comes to using them for real marketing campaigns, especially for established brands, things can quickly go wrong. And this is exactly where Google's new experimental tool Pomelli steps in. Now, Pomelli isn't a general AI model, it's built to deeply understand your specific business. So, in just minutes, it studies your website and builds what it calls your business DNA. So, it analyzes your logos, your color palettes, your fonts, tone of voice, brand visuals, and messaging. So, once Pomelli learns this information, it can generate brand perfect creatives for your social media campaigns instantly. It even suggests strategic campaign ideas tailored to your business. So, this makes it one of the most practical AI tools I've seen for marketers and small businesses. This is a 100% free AI tool for marketers. The only limitation that we have for this tool is this tool is only available in the US. So, that's why we're using VPN. I'm going to tell you what I'm using and how to use it. So, this is a free VPN that I'm using. You can use any other VPN, so it doesn't matter where you're based. Just connect your VPN. Now, to start, go to labs.google.com and click Try It Now. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, but because of high demand, the system may take a few moments to process your request. So, you'll see three main sections inside Pomelli. You have Business DNA Setup. Pomelli analyzes your website and learns your brand. You have campaign ideas, so it suggests marketing campaigns based on your brand DNA. And you have creative generation, so it creates actual visuals for those campaigns. So let's put in our website right here, paste it in. So Pomelli began analyzing it immediately, scanning our visuals, copy, logo, and overall tone. It even allows you to upload or edit your logo, modify taglines, and define your brand tone or aesthetics. You can review what Pomelli learned, such as your values, color schemes, and imagery, and make edits if needed. So, this is crucial for maintaining consistent branding across all content. Now, once your brand profile is ready, Pomelli automatically suggests campaign ideas. So, for example, like your entire marketing stack simplified, you have single platform, complete control, simplify your online build. You can select any campaign or create your own. Let's say we choose this one. So, Pomelli instantly generates campaign materials from taglines and descriptions to full social creatives. After that, you can then edit text and visuals. You can adjust colors and fonts, add a call to action button, generate multiple variations to test different ideas. So, once satisfied, you can download your creatives. Pomelli even allows you to export your brand data, including your campaign archive, as a JSON file. So, this data can be reused in tools like Gemini or ChatGPT for consistent branding across all your marketing workflows. So, AI is incredible at generating ideas fast, but what truly makes a brand stand out is consistency. Every color, every tagline, and every layout tells your audience who you are. So, when those little details don't match, your message can feel off, even if people can't explain why. Pomelli bridges that gap by bringing AI speed and human level brand awareness together. And what's even better is how beginner friendly it is. You don't need to be a designer or a tech expert to use it. Once Pomelli learns your website and brand tone, you can create professional level campaign visuals in minutes, no Photoshop, no complex prompts. For freelancers and small business owners, this can save hours of design work and thousands in marketing costs. Imagine creating 5 to 10 polished campaigns a week without hiring a creative team. That's the kind of scale Pomelli unlocks. Another really cool feature is the business archive Pomelli generates. So this file doesn't just store your visuals, it stores your entire brand personality. You can reuse that same data in other AI tools, meaning your tone and design stay consistent everywhere, from Instagram ads to YouTube thumbnails to blog banners, etc. And since it's Google Labs experiment, It's evolving quickly. If you try it out and find things that could be improved, definitely send feedback. Early user feedback helps shape how tools like Pomelli grow, and that's the exciting part of being an early adopter of AI marketing. So if you haven't already, head over to labs.google.com/experiments, give Pomelli a try, and see what kind of campaigns you can create for your brand. You might be surprised at how close AI has come to understanding real brand identity. So that's a quick tour of Pomelli, Google's new AI powered marketing assistant. It's completely free and built to help businesses generate scalable, brand compliant social media campaigns with ease. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Diggy Miner AI. Breakthrough AI powered scraper gets you unlimited fresh leads, e-com data, and more from any website you point to. Fuel your pipeline with fresh in market leads. Scrape any website, no excuses, no failures. Dominate e commerce with fresh pricing and marketing data. Scrape fresh leads and insights from social media websites. Uncover hidden data from niche and underexplored sites. Easy to use Chrome plugin works with multiple browsers. Scrape emails, phones, reviews, social posts, jobs, and more. Scrape X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Threads, Google, etc. Turn scrape data into instant answers. Auto scrolling and auto page navigation. Restart and resume scraping easily. Easily scrape difficult and JavaScript powered sites. Export data in CSV, JSON, and XLSX. Merge and combine datasets with one click, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Diggy now. Just go to getdiggyminer.in.